How to sign in Duolingo. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily sign in. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the bottom, you'll be able to see this profile icon. Simply tap on this profile icon, and here you can see two different options: create profile and sign in. Simply tap on sign in. Now here, you can directly sign in with Facebook or Google. Here, you can even create account. Now, you can choose any one of these. Here I'm tapping on Google. Now you must select the Google account with which you want to log in. Again, tap on one with which you want to log in. So it will take some time. Now again, tap on agree and share. So this will be directed and the Google account will be connected with Duolingo. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.